Hey everyone, welcome back. My name's Kevin. Today we are going to be doing burnt ends. Yesterday we smoked a bison brisket. We have some leftovers. We're going to turn them into a tasty treat. What are burnt ends? Burnt ends are the crispier parts of your brisket. The parts that you're not serving to your family or friends. Maybe some family, like the husband or wife that, you know, you feel deserves the burnt, crispy parts. But anyways, I digress. Oh, and the leftovers. So you're gonna learn how to make that real quick. It's super easy, and turning this into 2 separate dinners. We don't have that many leftovers, so we're not gonna require that many ingredients, but you can just make this recipe bigger or expand it a bit if you have more. So we have that much leftovers. That's, I don't know, almost a pound of meat, not quite. And that's our leftover bison brisket. We're gonna use roughly a 1/4 cup of golden yellow sugar, roughly a teaspoon of garlic salt, and 1/2 cup of bones and marrow bare bones broth. This stuff's dynamite. Great in soups, great on its own, great in this. And barbecue sauce. That's all you need. Alright, so all you're going to need and use is, I got this aluminum pan here. I've reused this several times. As you can see, it is beaten up and already has smoke color to it. That'll go on the smoker. So we're gonna take our bison here, take our knife, and we're just gonna cut it into little squares. Nothing fancy or difficult at all. Take our garlic salt, garlic powder if you have that, and just sprinkle a little bit over there. Just kind of eyeball, you don't want too much. And just set that aside. Golden yellow sugar, you can use dark brown sugar if you want. I'm going with this, and just get it in there. Barbecue sauce, get a bunch in there, enough to coat it all. So you be the judge on the measurement. If you like a ton, put a ton in there, but I just like it coating. Alright, so now you got your sugar in there, your garlic salt in there, your barbecue sauce, and your bison or beef. Mix it around, just using my knife here, so you coat every single piece. Every single one of them. The sugar and the barbecue sauce, and get it all in there. Bones and marrow broth, roughly 1/2 cup. And give it a stir. I'm happy. I know this looks kind of sloppy. I'm having a little bit of fun with it, but it is not a finesse thing. Just get it in there and get it on the smoker. Now I'm gonna put this back in the smoker. We're gonna get that glaze going on there. Burnt ends are done. They're on the grill for roughly almost 2 hours at 225 degrees Fahrenheit to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's do this. Oh yeah. There ain't much better. Bison, brisket, burnt ends. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for our next video, and don't forget to subscribe. We love you. Also comment if you have any questions. Lay it on down there. I'll get back to you right away. Boom.